Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video here. You guys seem to like unboxing videos and ask the stuff that I'm using. I've had one of these for a while, but I actually bought two more. So I had some extra for moving around. And what it is a extension cord for my welder. And these ones are supposed to be good for 50 amps. I use it on my welders, no issues. But I just bought a couple new ones. And for the price, they're not super cheap, but if you don't have wire or ends or anything, by the time you buy it and build your own, doesn't make sense. I like building lots of my own stuff, but sometimes it just doesn't make sense. I'll put a link down below for them if you want to look at them. Yeah, they do come with basically a hook to hang them up with if you want to hang them up. I personally throw that in the garbage because very seldom get hung up. They're always being used. But don't let that stuff go quite so far. And these are supposed to be good for 50 amps. They do have smaller ones if you're just using a smaller welder. But I prefer, I use a bigger welder, so it doesn't really matter. But not that my welders draw 50 amps either. But okay. But they have nice molded ends on them. The cord is it's not super flexy, like cab tire, if you know what cab tire is, which is like really expensive extension cords. But they're pretty good after you get them. Usually when I hang them up, I hang them up long, so like you get like a 3 foot loop kind of idea. So this would be a 1 foot loop. I do it in a 3 foot loop, and they come around pretty good. Outside in the cold, they'd probably be pretty stiff, but I'm always inside the shop, so no big problem for me. But like I said, the ends are molded. They're pretty nice for the price. Like I said, I'll put a link down below. This isn't going to be a real long video, but they do have, as long as you have this style of plug on your welder, most welders, that's what they're going to come with, even if it's a smaller welder. If you get into a different plug than that, usually it's because you have a bigger welder or a really small welder, but you can usually buy adapters. But anyways, I just thought I would throw that out there. You guys, I always have guys ask me about, tools that I'm using and stuff that I'm using. So that is something that I use. And like I said, I just bought a couple more, so I have more because I only have two welder plugs, one at the front of the shop, one at the back of the shop. Well, I shouldn't say that. There's actually one in the corner, but you can't get at it right at the moment. So there's three technically, I guess. But sometimes it's nice to be able to, that way you can get the welder anywhere in the shop. So for you guys that do have extension cord problems, these things are pretty good for the price. Not bad money, not bad product for the money. And yeah, anyways, remember, it's not rocket science.